Hello everybody, today I'm going to make a very cute and simple toy with paper. It's a paper dragon toy which is moving toy. So let's draw a dragon on a red paper. You can draw with black pointer and later you have to cut it. Let's make dragon teeth, white teeth and eyes. It's very simple. You can take any colored paper and you can make it. And let's take a yellow chart paper and cut it in round a circle shape like this. And then you have to make some dragon pattern, skin pattern with a red marker. And now you have to cut it from the middle like this. And let's apply the tail and the face head of the dragon, and your moving paper toy is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.